Peace divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification so you can be notified of more videos. And I miss my divines, and I wanted to make 3 juices that are very rich in antioxidants, as you can see in the title. And this lovely first juice that we are making today, we are using some spinach, we are using some mint, we are using some lime, we are using some strawberries, we are using some grapefruit, and we are using some oranges. Okay, I'm going to put the spinach in. I'm going to put the mint in. I'm going to put the oranges in. I'm going to put the grapefruit in. I'm going to put the lime in. And I'm going to put the strawberries in. Okay, and we are going to go ahead and juice it up. Alright, and that was so fast. Oh my goodness. And as always, I will leave the ingredients and tips and the recipe and everything in the description. I think we'll probably have a good 16 ounces. I don't know. All right, and we have a good 15 ounces right here. So we are going to go ahead and try this lovely juice. All right, so remember we had our peppermint and our spinach and our strawberries and our orange and our lime, and we had our grapefruit. All right, so let's try it. I like that the mint is in here. That's very cooling, very citrusy, of course. I like it. Actually, this recipe called for 1 orange, but I added another one. I wonder how it would have been if I didn't add another one. So that's interesting. All right, so let's go on to our second juice. You can see our lovely second juice right here. And I'm using some grapes. I'm using some lemon, and I'm using some peaches. So I'm going to put the lemon in, I'm going to put the peaches in, I'm going to put the grapes in. So we have a good 15 ounces here. So we are going to go ahead and try our lovely second juice. We have our lovely second juice to try, and remember we had peaches, we had grapes, and we had some lemon. Okay, so let's try it. Very sweet, so I love that. And I added more grapes because that's what I wanted to do. So remember, as always, you can tweak your recipes. Okay, all right, so let's get on to our third juice. As you can see, the lovely third juice, I'm using kiwi, I am using pear, and I'm using some lemon again. Okay, I'm going to put the lemon in, I'm putting the pear in, and I am putting the kiwi in. All right, we are going to go ahead and juice this up. Okay, so remember our lovely third juice, we had lemon, we had kiwi, right? And we had pear. So let's try it. Very sweet. I taste the kiwi, I taste everything. This is good. All 3 of these juices, definitely, if you love citrus as well, you will enjoy these recipes. Even if you're new to juicing, you will love these recipes. Be sure to check out my other juicing videos. Of course, I've made plenty of other juicing videos, and there will be